The expression "a stitch in time saves nine" is a proverbial phrase that emphasizes the importance of taking timely action to address a problem or issue, as it can prevent larger problems or more significant efforts in the future. It suggests that addressing a small issue promptly can save time, effort, and potential complications down the line. The origin of this phrase can be traced back to the world of sewing or tailoring. In this context, a stitch in time refers to the act of repairing a small tear or loose thread in a garment promptly, rather than allowing it to worsen and require more extensive repairs later. Metaphorically, the phrase applies to various aspects of life beyond sewing. It encourages individuals to be proactive and take care of small problems or issues before they escalate and become more challenging to resolve. When someone uses the expression, they are emphasizing the value of addressing issues promptly and preventing them from becoming more significant or complex. It suggests that by investing a little effort or time up front, individuals can save themselves from larger consequences or burdens in the future. The phrase is often used to emphasize the importance of preventive measures, planning, or early intervention in different areas of life. It encourages individuals to be proactive, identify potential problems or risks, and take corrective actions promptly. For example, in personal finance, the expression can be applied to encourage individuals to save money regularly or address minor financial issues promptly to avoid larger financial burdens or debt in the future. In maintenance and repairs, the phrase highlights the significance of addressing small problems in buildings, machinery, or vehicles before they lead to more extensive damage or costly repairs. The phrase can also be extended to relationships, suggesting that addressing small conflicts or misunderstandings early on can prevent them from escalating into more significant problems or damaged relationships. In summary, "a stitch in time saves nine" is a proverbial expression that emphasizes the importance of taking timely action to address problems or issues. It suggests that addressing small problems promptly can prevent larger consequences, efforts, or complications in the future. The phrase encourages individuals to be proactive, practice preventive measures, and take corrective actions early on. It can be applied to various aspects of life, such as finance, maintenance, relationships, and more, emphasizing the value of addressing issues promptly to save time, effort, and potential consequences in the long run.